Welcome to our video on adding events. To get started, go to People, Events. Click Add Event at the top of the window. This will open a new subscreen where you can enter the information necessary to create an event. At the top of the screen, there will be 3 tabs: Event Setup, Volunteers, and Registration. We'll go over the first 2 tabs in this video. To learn more about the Registration tab, please watch the registration video. All events must have a name, date, and time. Location and description are optional. The event name field can accommodate up to 80 characters. There is a start date and an end date to allow for single and multi-day events. Start time and end time allow people to know how long an event is expected to last. There's a checkbox to make the event an all-day event. There's also an option to make the event repeat on a daily or weekly basis. If you fill in an address in the location field, it will automatically link to Google Maps. If email addresses and web addresses are added to the description, they can be hyperlinked if properly formatted. All web addresses must start with the http:// in order for it to hyperlink. You can either save and close to complete your setup, or you can move on to either of the next 2 tabs at the top of the screen. If you choose to save and close the event, you can always come back and edit the event once you're done. In the Volunteers tab, you'll see a list of individuals in your database. Use the filters in the 3 dots menu, the search bar at the top, and the scroll bar to locate specific individuals. Checking the box next to their name will mark them as a volunteer for this event. If the event is a repeating event, the individuals will need to be reselected for each individual instance of the event in the event's calendar. When finished, you can move on to the next tab or click Save and Close. If volunteers were selected, you will be able to see the number of individuals marked under the Volunteers column. You can click on the number to view the list of selected volunteers. In the 3 dots menu of this window, you can choose to add any information, such as contact information, to your view of the window, as well as print a list of your volunteers with their contact information. You can send a mass email to your volunteers under the email column and choose the All Volunteers option in the Email To field. If All Volunteers is not an option in that field for that specific event, then no volunteers have been marked yet for this event. Any changes that need to be made to an event can be done by clicking on the paper and pencil icon. Thanks for watching.